So student, today we will do question number 1 from exercise 4.3 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. Let's see question number 1. Question is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So for this we will have to find discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here this will be b. B is minus 3 square minus 4 into a 2 into c 5 is equal to 9, and this will be minus 40 is equal to minus 31. So here we see that d is less than 0, so therefore no real roots. Nature of the roots is there is no real roots. This is number 2. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here d will be then b square means minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 4 is equal to 48 here minus 48 is equal to 0. So here d is equal to 0, and therefore equal and real roots. Nature of the root will be equal and real. Now we will find value of x. Then x is equal to, formula we will use minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b is equal to 4 root 3 plus minus, and this will be 0. So 0 by 2 into a means 3 is equal to this will be 4 root 3 by 2 into 3. 2 and 2 will be cut, and so answer will be 2 and root 3 and root 3, this will be cut, so 2 by root 3. Answer will be then this will be 2 root 3 and 2 root 3. This will be answer. Now see question number 3. Question number 3 is two x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here d is equal to minus 6b square minus 4 into A. A is 2 and 6 minus 24 is equal to 12. So here D is greater than 0. So root is real and unequal. Now we'll find x is equal to minus b, means 6 plus minus b square means 36. If we'll square minus 6, then 36 minus 4 into A. A is 2 into C. C is 3. Means this is 12. We have just find out 2A means 4. So 6 plus minus, this is 12 by 4. If we take out 4 from here, then it will be 2. So 6 plus minus 2 root 3 by 4 is equal to, if you divide by 2, then it will be 3 plus minus root 3 by 2. This is answer. Means root will be 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.